Hey, have you heard about mastering access and security in Azure Virtual Desktop, especially when implementing it for enterprise deployments? It's quite a ride, so let's talk through everything you need to know about keeping your digital workspace secure while ensuring the right access. Picture Azure in front of you, a world of limitless potential to keep your enterprise connected and productive. I personally had my fair share of trials and triumphs with navigating it all. So, getting into the nitty-gritty of managing access and security in AVD has been a crucial part of making sure everyone at your company can get work done without compromising on safety. You see, securing an enterprise in the virtual space necessitates that we pay close attention to user privileges, network controls, and constant vigilance against potential cyber threats. And the best part? There are robust strategies to handle this efficiently. First things first, creating strong authentication systems is foundational for any AVD deployment. You'd appreciate the dual security that two-factor authentication brings to the table, something you know, like a password, plus something you have, like a token or a prompt on your mobile device. Weaving this into your login flows instantly raises the bar for account security. Now, access control is where the magic happens. Implementing role-based access control ensures that you've set permissions with precision. Users only see what they are authorized to from any point in the virtual desktop. This setup employs least privilege as a golden rule, access granted strictly on a need-to-know basis. As they say, with great power comes great responsibility, and in our case, this prevents mishaps before they start. Diving deeper, network segmentation within Azure is a savvy move because not all parts of your AVD needs the same level of access. Separating assets based on function and classification ensures you are not leaking sensitive details to unnecessary areas.